It was a very windy day when the five of us went for this La Perouse to Cape Banks circuit walk. After the walk, we found out from the news that the wind gust was so strong that flights were delayed and one of the LRT trams was blown off track. Even though it was so windy and the seawater was choppy, we still saw some people fishing at Brown's Rock. Standing at the top of Henry Head gave us a spectacular view over the vast expanse of the ocean and dramatic coastal cliffs. Isn't this a spectacular coastal view? When walking on this part of the track, we saw seawater sputtering caused by the strong wind. It was our first time experiencing such strong wind during our walk. When we descended onto Cruwee Cove, it was much calmer here. We are crossing the pedestrian bridge over to Cape Banks. Oh no! The gale force wind nearly blew my hat away. The two gentlemen braving the strong wind to post for me. It felt like the gale force wind is blowing me away. On a calmer day, this place would be a perfect spot for whale spotting. Thankful that we are safely back to Kongwong Beach at La Perouse. A beautiful sunset greeting us at La Perouse.